Hey guys, take a look at these awesome gadgets that you can buy before the year ends. Let's go. Apple Vision Pro. What if you could interact with virtual objects and environments as if they were real? That's the promise of Apple Vision Pro, a mixed reality headset from Apple that is still in development. Vision Pro uses a combination of cameras and sensors to track your movements and display virtual objects and environments in your field of view. This allows you to interact with virtual objects as if they were real, even though they are not. This device has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, play, and learn. It can be used to create immersive gaming experiences that are unlike anything else on the market. You can use Apple Vision Pro to create virtual meeting rooms where you can collaborate with colleagues from different locations. Students can use it to explore historical sites, learn about scientific concepts, or even take virtual field trips. Samsung Odyssey Arc 55 Monitor. Imagine a world where you can immerse yourself in games and movies like never before. That's the world of the Samsung Odyssey Arc 55 Monitor. The Odyssey Arc is a curved gaming monitor that is designed to provide the ultimate immersive experience. It features a massive 55-inch display with a 1000R curve, meaning the screen wraps around your field of vision, creating a truly immersive experience. The Odyssey Arc also has features that make it ideal for gaming, including a 165Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, and support for AMD FreeSync and NVIDIA GSYNC. This means that you can enjoy smooth and tear-free gameplay, even in the most demanding games. The Odyssey Arc also has a feature of being able to rotate into a variety of different view modes, including cockpit mode, and can display up to 4 various sources at the same time. So you can watch your favorite content, play games, and browse the web all at the same time. DJI FPV Drone. A DJI FPV drone is a first-person view drone that allows you to fly as if you were sitting in the cockpit. It uses a high-quality camera and video transmission system to send live video to your FPV goggles, giving you a truly immersive flying experience. These drones have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer a unique and exciting way to fly. They are also relatively easy to learn to fly, even if you have no prior experience with drones. The DJI FPV drone is one of the most popular FPV drones on the market. It has a long battery life and can capture stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. It uses a low-latency video transmission system to send live video to your FPV goggles, meaning there's very little lag in the video transmission. The DJI FPV drone has 3 flight modes: normal mode, sport mode, and manual mode. Each mode is designed for different levels of use. Apple M2 Max MacBook Pro. This is the most powerful MacBook Pro ever made, and it's packed with new features that make it the perfect machine for creative professionals and everyone in between. With its next-generation M2 Max chip, the M2 Max MacBook Pro can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. From rendering 4K videos to compiling codes to designing 3D models. With its new Liquid Retina XDR display with ProMotion, the M2 Max MacBook Pro can deliver up to 120 Hz of refresh rate, making everything look and feel smoother and more responsive. Whether you're a filmmaker, a designer, a developer, or a student, the M2 Max MacBook Pro can help you take your work to the next level. LG Suitcase TV. Also known as the LG StanBM Ego, this is a portable TV that can be easily carried and set up anywhere. It has a 27-inch touchscreen display with a built-in stand that can be adjusted to different angles. The TV is also equipped with a built-in battery that can last for up to 3 hours on a single charge. The LG StanBM Ego is perfect for people who want to be able to watch TV anywhere they go. It can be used for camping, tailgating, picnics, or even just to watch TV in bed. The TV is also a good option for people who live in small spaces, as it can be easily folded up and stored when not in use. Like any other smart TV, it has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and it has a USB and a HDMI port. Canon EOS R5. Imagine a camera that can do it all. A camera that can take stunning photos and videos in any situation, from capturing the fleeting expressions of a child to the breathtaking beauty of a landscape. A camera that is powerful, versatile, and easy to use. That camera is the Canon EOS R5. It is a full-frame mirrorless camera that is packed with features for photographers and videographers of all levels. It has a 45-megapixel sensor that can capture incredible detail and color, and it can shoot 8K videos at up to 30 frames per second. The EOS R5 also has other features that make it a great choice for a wide range of applications, including fast and accurate autofocus, in-body image stabilization, and weather sealing, so you can use it in even the most challenging conditions. Interactive cloud lamp. This lamp uses sensors and technology to respond to its environment. It can change color, brightness, and even shape based on sound, movement, or mood. For example, an interactive cloud lamp could be programmed to change color when you speak, or to dim when you enter a room. It could even be programmed to create a calming effect when you're stressed or energized when you're tired. Interactive cloud lamps are still a relatively new technology, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with our environment. They can be used to create more immersive and engaging experiences in homes, businesses, and even public spaces. Unagi Dual Motor Electric Scooter. This is a premium electric scooter that is designed for both adults and teenagers. It is powered by two powerful motors that can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, and it has a long battery life, so you can ride for up to 15 miles on a single charge. The Unagi Dual Motor Electric Scooter is also incredibly lightweight and portable. It weighs only 26 pounds and can be folded up in seconds, making it easy to carry on public transportation or store in your car. In addition to its performance and portability, it is also incredibly stylish. It is made with high-quality materials and features a sleek design that is sure to turn heads. The Unagi Dual Motor Electric Scooter is the perfect way to get around town quickly, easily, and stylishly. It's also a great choice for people who are looking for an environmentally friendly way to travel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.